Hey guys, this is my new Haro 300.1. I got it a couple weeks ago. I'm barely doing a review on it. Just have original Haro frame, fork, handlebars and everything. Original stem. 2.4 front tire. Double wall rims. Plain black alienation. Got a 3-piece crank on it. Switched the pedals out already. The original ones were shitty. 25-tooth sprocket. KMC half-link chain. 9-tooth. Pivotal seat. Pretty uncomfortable. I call it Raper 2000. Other than everything, it's a pretty nice bike, and I would recommend it for anyone. It was only $400, so that's my bike.